Okay, so this video is for the statement of retained earnings, which is 4-2. So this was 4-1. I'm going to go ahead and put 4-2 down here to try to keep it together so that you can see the relationship between the two. So we're using the same information as the problem before. All this is from the problem before. This is a different statement, so we're still going to need that header. The same as up here, except we're changing what it is called. Okay, so remember we use the same formula for all statement of retained earnings. It stays the same 4 things every time. So we're going to start with our retained earnings balance for the beginning of the year. So the beginning of the year would be January 1. And it does not clearly give us one in the problem, so we can assume that it is 0. If you were given one, it will be very clear that there is a beginning balance. And then our second part of the statement is our net income. Remember that this number is not going to come from somewhere over here, that it comes from our income statement. So our net income was $7,800. And we're going to drop it down. We're not going to call this row anything. And then we're going to subtract our dividends, because those are getting paid out. We don't get to keep those. So we're going to put those in parentheses. That number does come from our adjusted trial balance. It is right here. It's the one we listed for statement of retained earnings. And then once we subtract, that's going to give us our ending balance for the year. And remember, we're going to bring back the $sign and the double underline because that is a really important number. Alright, so that's the end of the video for this problem, and then the next video, 4-4, we're going to pick up with the balance sheet using the classified method, which is a new method that you've not, or format, excuse me, that you've not seen. So that's in the video for statement of retained earnings.